Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absolutely. 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 Absolutely is an adverb used to emphasize the degree or extent of something. It is often used to convey strong agreement, approval, certainty, or affirmation. Here are some examples. Example number 1, she was absolutely certain that she had locked the door before leaving. Why absolutely use in example number 1? In this example, absolutely is used to emphasize the high degree of certainty regarding locking the door. Example number 2, the team's performance was absolutely outstanding, and they deserved the praise they received. Why absolutely use in example number 2? Here, absolutely is used to express strong approval and admiration for the team's outstanding performance. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.